Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. And today I've created a purple monochrome look for you guys. If you wanna know how I did this, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting with this Pond's BB cream. I like to keep my look a bit natural and hence I use this BB cream. It gives me a flawless finish and it works very well for me. I'm dotting it around my face right now and I'll also dot it on my neck and later on we'll blend it. I'm gonna be listing all the products in the description box below. Now moving ahead with Fit Me Maybelline Concealer, I'm just gonna take a bit of it and I will dot it under my eyes and I'll also do the same over my eyes and then I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend it well around my eyes. We're gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me finishing powder to bake around our eyes and we're gonna be using it under our eyes and over our eyes. We'll leave it for 2 minutes and till then we're gonna do our brows. I'm gonna be using this Fashion Brow eyebrow pencil from Maybelline. It works really well for beginners and it has both powder and pencil end. Using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna remove all the excess powder around our eyes that we kept for baking. I will now seal my base using this Lakme compact powder and I will brush it off all over my face. Now I'm gonna be using this blush from Studiowest to add color to my cheeks. Now I'm going to be using this contour kit from Maybelline to sculpt my face. This one is very light and is so good for beginners. If you are a beginner in contouring, you should definitely give this one a try. And then I'm picking up this purple gel eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics as the liner for today's look. We are done lining our eyes now and now we'll use this super fan mascara from Smashbox. I absolutely love this mascara and it works so well for me. As you can see, it gives you a very luscious and long eyelashes. Use it both on your upper lash line and the lower lash line. Then using this highlighter from Wet n Wild, let's highlight our cheekbones. We are also going to be using this to highlight the highest points of our face. Then using this purplish shade from the Nykaa Wonderpuff range as today's lipstick. I really liked this shade. It looks very flattery. And so guys, that's a complete look for today. I hope you liked this look. If you did, then don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye.